Hi, I'm Seth. I'm going to be peer reviewing your composition part one. Um, First, I think that you did understand and execute the project well due to your use of the elements and principles of design. Um, and first, I want to start with this photo here. I really think that you used um, lines very well and the use of color and texture within the clouds. This is a really good photo because it involves a lot of different elements in that one photo. The same with this one. These both involve the same use of principles. This picture here indicates a very well use of texture because you can see the individual pine needles on the tree, and color plays a very good role in this photo because you can see the contrast in the shadow and the light. I really like how you use that there. And this photo is a good use of unity um, because these all seem to flow together. These are all the same type of objects, and they're all proportionate. I really like that. On this photo, you use space very well as the boots represent the positive space, and then the white is the negative. It's a really good use of that principle there. And as far as another good line photo is this photo here. As you can see, each of the boards in the roof of this building. And there's a good use of depth in this photo as well, as you can see as it continues. And let's see. This right here is another good use of line work and light. As you can see the lines in the building, and I really like the light in the outside as it varies from the sunlight. And this is my favorite picture here. I really like the perspective used on this photo. Instead of taking a picture of the entire horse, you chose to take a lower picture and the front profile of the horse, and I really like the way you did that. So, as far as photos that stand out to be a little weak, I would say this one first of all, because this is in fact a flat surface and it does tend to be an ordinary object. Maybe if you did want to take this photo, you could take it from a different perspective or possibly try to use different art principles in this photo. And then the last two that seem to be weak, this one just cluttered and I don't really understand the focus of this photo. And this one, maybe just again possibly changing the viewpoint of the photo could help. Overall improvements, I think that you could possibly use a wider variety of subjects for the photos. These all seem to be related, but uh, it could help if you pick objects that are a little bit more unordinary and step out of the comfort zone a little bit. But overall, I think you did very well on the project.